Humans have always been innovating and creating new things to make our lives easier and more efficient. With new technologies emerging every day, it is clear that we are only scratching the surface of what is possible. However, it is important to consider the ethical implications of these advancements, such as privacy concerns and job displacement. As we continue to innovate and create new technologies, it is crucial that we do so responsibly and with consideration for their impact on society as a whole. Number 8. Build robotics ecosystem. You wouldn't believe it if you were told with just a click of a switch, any excavator could turn into an artificial intelligent machine that can automatically execute faster and safer construction projects. Build Robotics Exosystem is an amazing technology that works by mounting an exosystem device on the rear of the excavator to allow lifting with service trucks, forklifts, or other excavators, enabling the excavator to perform as a full-functioning robot. The mounting process is versatile. One can be detached from the machine with ease using magnets and U-clamp systems. Exosystem is equipped with a liquid-cooled computer, sensors, high-efficiency solar panels, a GPS, a proximity radar, bright LEDs, safety alarms, a digital geofence, and 360-degree cameras that can detect obstacles in a second. While making a machine fully automated, it also has a manual operation that can be activated in cases where professionals want to take over. With machines acting as robots to complete projects like clockwork, the Build Robotics Exosystem has brought us closer to the realities of complete automation, and most importantly, it can dig like nothing you have ever seen before. Number 7. Canvas. Robots are about to take over the entire industry because this next invention is a four-wheeled robot that executes two phases of the drywall finishing process by spray coating and sanding. These phases are complicated to execute, require professional handling, labor-intensive, and physically demanding, causing a high rate of injury among working professionals. Canvas is best for industrial walls, which are tall and wide. Once a wall is assigned to the drywall finishing process using the Canvas robot, a professional worker is first required to tape coat the wall, so the robot enters the area to scan with its 3D mapping technology, then sprays applying the wall with mud compound over the wet tapes before executing the sanding process with precise pressure, making a dust-free environment. After which, an operator comes in with a tablet to check for areas in the wall that require touch-ups, and then the changes are applied. This technology is controlled by an operator and has a life support reporting system. It takes the most complex part of the drywall finish process and executes it with much lesser time than traditional methods, leaving your professional to focus on more complex tasks. Number 6. Last Companions PACO. Last Companions have developed a collaborative robot called PACO that can assist professionals on their construction projects. PACO allows painters to channel their time into other parts of their project aside painting in order to save time, thereby increasing their efficiency. It is a solution for labor shortage, and its airless spraying system finishes painting projects with a clean, sharp, and precise finishing that will meet the requirements of any customer. The collaborative process between the painter and the robot is very much a breeze. All that is needed to execute work is for the robot to be programmed with the 3D information of the environment being scanned by the painter, and once the scanning process is done, PACO will complete in no time. PACO is equipped with remote monitoring systems that allow the painter to be up to date with the process and schedule. It is easily transportable to different levels and sites. You can now rely on the finishing touches with PACO. Number 5. HP SITEPRINT. Imagine you can shrink a 7-hour labor-intensive construction site layout drawing into just 45 minutes. Well, HP is known for its many technological developments, but most of which is nothing compared to its newly innovated robot known as HP SITEPRINT that can create site construction layouts up to 10 times faster than traditional methods. It takes the digital layout of a project assigned by an engineer and draws it directly on the construction floor sites with speed and accuracy. This creates efficient and worry-free field operations. HP SITEPRINT can automatically avoid obstacles, print precise and accurate lines, on any surface including arcs, and it has a simple management system that includes a total station controlled by one operator to monitor the robot on the field for quality control. Remember not to blink, otherwise you'll just miss it. Number 4. HYPERTUNNEL Swarm Bots. Before now, underground constructions has been expensive, time-consuming, people-dependent, and hazardous. But new innovations from HYPERTUNNEL have paved way for building underground structures with AI, machine learning, and hundreds of small robots called swarm bots. HYPERTUNNEL Swarm Bots technology has increased speed, safety, certainty, and reduced the cost, consumption, and any risk of executing underground projects. It works by first drilling horizontal bores into the excavation site. Then semi-autonomous robots are sent into the earth through the bores to carry out tasks like collection of geological data and installing access points into the earth. After which, a CNC-controlled robot arm uses the installed access points to carve hollow chambers into the earth, filling them with construction cement that forms the 3D design of the underground building structure. The last stage of the construction process includes breaking unwanted parts of the earth and excavating it with a driven shield technology. With HYPERTUNNEL having constructed the world's first tunnel completely built by robots, the future of this amazing technology is beautiful and unpredictable. Number 3. VM301 PACO. It takes enormous time, precision, and manpower to lay thousands of paver blocks for road constructions. And one company who has been at the forefront of making this process better is Probes. After developing the VM203 PACO, their newly upgraded machine called VM301 PACO adds even more technological advantages to make the paving process easier. The driver's cabin is fully glazed, protecting the driver from all weather conditions. It is equipped with a double articulated steering system that gives it good mobility and flexibility even in tight spaces. The highlight of this machine is that it has a low center of gravity and a dual central control in the chassis that gives the machine smooth movement and great stability when picking up paving blocks. If you want a smooth paved road in the shortest amount of time, then look no further than the VM301 PACO, the road to innovation that paving the way. Number 2. MAKINEX Hybrid Power System. Did you know construction projects cannot be executed without experiencing a little or no power outage on site? This next-generation site power innovation that can completely revolutionize the output of construction projects. MAKINEX Hybrid Power System generates and stores reliable green energy, reducing the amount of greenhouse generations, which reduces the effect of global warming. This system is a portable four-wheeled machine that can be speedily set up with ease and is designed to resist outdoor weather conditions. It is equipped with large solar arrays, high-capacity batteries, a backup generator, an inverter, and outlets for wired connections that enable the system to use less fuel with the same power output. Using this power source creates an eco-friendly environment, eliminates noise on-site, increases productivity and reduces costs of fuel, and lowers the service maintenance intervals. So remember to stay powered with the MAKINEX Hybrid Power System. Number 1. BMM 400 and 404. Compared to the traditional methods of making up to 3,000 bricks in a day, the brick-making machine has made the brick-making sector more efficient by being able to produce over 24,000 bricks per hour anywhere and anytime. The mixture to create the clay brick consists ratio of 50-50 raw material and clay. The brick-making process involves dumping the mixed clay material into the truck where the material enters into a wheel mounted with die modes that is located underneath the truck. The wheel rotates, it lays bricks onto the floor with a clean trail. The compressive strength of bricks made from the brick-making machine is 4 times stronger than brick made using traditional methods, and the water absorption rate of the bricks is also reduced. The truck itself has a manual and automatic mode, has a fuel consumption rate of 16 to 18 liters per hour, and requires about 2 to 3 workers to monitor its operation. Making brick has never been easier, smoother, and more accurate than the brick-making machine by SNPC machines from India. Subscribe.